Clopay is the largest garage door manufacturer in the US. We are based out of Ohio. We have multiple manufacturing locations, all within the US. We are basically a mass manufacturer of custom products, millions of SKUs. Every door is made uniquely for our customers. Prior to implementing Oracle AI data platform, we had to get to this information manually, pulling that information from OBI into spreadsheets and manipulating spreadsheets to really look at different SKUs, geographies, pricing, to really understand what the issue was. Using Oracle AI data platform, we are able to predict our dealer churn much more accurately. It's a more database decision. This helps us uncover exactly what is going on, and it's a great tool. It really drives our bottom line. And also the predictability. It helps us understand where they're going. It's not only looking back, it also gives us a view into the future. Using Oracle AI data platform was natural to us. Clopay is an Oracle shop, and for us, this is a natural extension to continue to use Oracle tools into AI to help us improve our business performance.